Hello, no. This now we're carrying down of AFCON 2021 with the Republicans, and I still remain your girl Jovita AK. But then if you call me Sexy Joe, and the country where they in focus today now Tunisia. They know them as the Carthage Eagles of Tunisia, and their FIFA ranking at 29. The last time when they appear for inside the AFCON now for 2019, total appearance where they don't make, including this one where they go make for inside Cameroon now 20. They don't call this AFCON once, and that one shell for inside 2004. Since that time, they never Colombian again. Their star player na the man where they call Naheem Sliti, and of course, then they Group F where they go jam Mali for their first game for inside the AFCON. That na the country where they in focus.